Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Ramix Vlog. In this video I will sharing with you guys that I buy Black Prince rubber tree from the online seller. Now I will do unboxing my plant. So please watch until the end of my video after this intro. Thank you. So let's start our unboxing rubber tree plant and repotting to the new flower pot. Open the box carefully so that our plant to avoid damage. This document is from Bureau of Plant Industry. I purchased this agro-fertilizer and Black Prince rubber tree. This agro-fertilizer, the price is 50 pesos only. I bought this plant worth of 120 pesos only. Look, our plant is perfectly no damage. Thank you for the seller. Juanito's Garden. This is our soil mixture. Humus, ricel, and cocoa feed. Our plant roots is fully stable. Thank you for watching, guys. If you are new my channel Ramix Vlog, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. God bless you all.